Hi there, hi Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, January the 6th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku, so three puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic with four stars, in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. But you are interested now in the four stars Sudoku. Yeah, let me continue with the four stars Sudoku. And this will be number 5748. 5748. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4-star Sudoku. Let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1 2, 3 threes, 4 fours. All right. 2 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So the fours are in majority. Can I start with the 4? No. No. What's happening? What's happening now? No. How about a 3? 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 3. 5 5. 3 5. Oh, we have 4 sevens. Overlooked 4 and the 7s. Okay, 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 7 7 7 7. 7. Nope, cannot continue with the 7. How about the 6 in the last row? 6 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column. 6 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 7. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in the last row, so no 7 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 8, 7 and 8. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 4 9, 2 4 9. 2 4 9. No, cannot fill this yet. 2 4 9. That means those 2 missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 2 4 9. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. Well, I hate to mark those boxes outside a big square, so I will leave this for a moment. Okay. 6 6 6 6. We have a 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the last row. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 4 4 4. Okay, cannot continue with the 4 now. 2 4 9 2 Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left here. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 4 in this last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. So 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1, 1, 8, and 9, 9, 9. 1, 1, 8, 8. Oh, 8, yeah. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column and the 9 in the same column. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Well, cannot continue with 1. Need to wait. 7, 7. 8, 6. 8, 9. 6, 8, and 9. 9. Well, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Here should be the 6. 6, 6. Well. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9. 9 should be here. 5, 5, 5. 5 and 3. Come on. It could be also 6. Thinking 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 1 digit left in this last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers are left in this row. 8 and a 7. 8 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 7. 2 is missing. And the 5 is missing. Well. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 6, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 6 and the 5. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. We have a 6 and a 5 in this column, so no 6 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes, disappear. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8, 8, okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Cannot continue with the 8 now. 8 and the 2. Alright. How about the 7? Nope. 7, 7. 5. Well, how about the 1, 1? 1. Oh, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2, 2, 2. I believe the 5 also. Yeah. 5, 5. 6, 6. 5, 6, and 9. 5, 6, and a 9. 5, 6, and a 5, 6, and 9. No. The other 2 should be 1 and 3. Yeah, we have a pair. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, let me mark those. That means those 2 missing numbers in the first column are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, let me mark those, 1 and a 3. So we have a pair here, 1 and a 3. That means these 2 missing numbers should be the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright. How about a 6 then? 6, 6. No. 1, 3, and 9 is missing. 9, 9. 5, 7, and a 2. No. 1, 3, and 9. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in the middle column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 9. Yeah, the 9 in this column. The 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 8 and 9, we have a 9 now in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have an 8 now in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Quicker than a previous Sudoku, although it has 1 digit less. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this again a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, a thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.